MI-1765, single monitor arm for wall or pole mounting. Installation. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the wall mount plate on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations, then secure the wall mount plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall mount plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall mount plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Insert the decorative covers into each of the bolt holes. Cut the zip tie to release the spring arm. Place the end of the spring arm onto the end of the wall mount or pole mount, then tighten the bolt on the back of the spring arm. Using the appropriate size bolts for your monitor, install the top 2 bolts and washers to the monitor, leaving a gap of approximately 0.1 inches. Hang the monitor onto the top of the VISA plate as shown. Then install the lower 2 bolts and washers through the lower holes. Tighten all 4 bolts until secure, making sure not to over-tighten. Cables can be run through the cable management clips on the underside of the spring arm. To tilt the monitor, loosen the screw behind the VISA assembly, place the monitor at the desired angle, then tighten the screw back down. For pole mounting installation, using the provided hex wrench, loosen the 2 bolts on the pole clamp until the clamp opens wide enough to slide onto the pole. Move the clamp to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure. For installation on thicker poles, remove the 2 bolts from the pole clamp and replace them with the alternative bolts. Then adjust the width of the clamp to be slightly larger than the pole. Move the clamp to the desired height and tighten the bolts back down until secure.